Learning new words, courtesy of Little Kids Heart of Learning.
Hello friends. It's so great to see you. Would you like to learn new words today? I'm looking forward to learning new words with you too. Let's get started. Again. Can you please repeat again? I didn't hear you. Fall. Rain will fall from the sky tonight. Home. I'm going home to study for the test. No. I know what time it is. Make. I'll make us both a cup of hot chocolate. Over. I searched all over the house. Should. You should look in the closet for the box. Some. I bought some groceries yesterday. Walk. Let's take a walk in the park. Word. I like to learn a new word every day. Friends, that was awesome. I had so much fun. I love to learn too. Now, don't forget, like, share, and subscribe to Little Kids Heart of Learning. Until we meet again, keep learning and being the smart, amazing kids you are.